Thinking about diving into crypto mining without the hassle of buying expensive equipment? Let's uncover the truth about Gomining, a cloud mining platform promising easy crypto earnings. First, let's understand what Gomining is. It's a cloud mining platform where you essentially rent computing power to mine Bitcoin instead of buying your own miners. You purchase virtual miners, represented as NFTs, from Gomining. Each virtual miner NFT has a specific hashing power, dictating its mining capability and potential earnings. These NFTs also have an energy efficiency rating that impacts profitability. Higher efficiency generally translates to better returns. Gomining boasts daily payouts. Your earnings are directly related to the performance of your virtual miners. You can track your daily profits and easily withdraw your Bitcoin earnings directly to your wallet. Now, the crucial part: risks. Cloud mining isn't without its downsides. Platform security is paramount. Ensure Gomining has robust security measures to protect your investment. Bitcoin price volatility is another factor. Your earnings are directly linked to Bitcoin's value, so be prepared for fluctuations. Also, carefully assess the contract terms. Look for hidden fees or unexpected charges that could eat into your profits. User reviews are mixed. Some users praise the platform's ease of use and profitability. However, others express concerns about high fees and the overall viability of cloud mining. Before investing, do your due diligence. Research Gomining thoroughly, read independent reviews, and understand the potential risks involved. So, is Gomining a worthwhile investment? It depends on your risk tolerance and investment goals. If you're looking for a hands-off approach to Bitcoin mining and understand the potential risks, it might be worth exploring. But remember to invest responsibly and never invest more than you can afford to lose.